In today's video, I'm going to be doing an objective, honest review of a new product um, coming online tomorrow by Mike Thomas and Brett Rutecky. It's called Vidyz. It's on JV2. And what I'm going to do is look at this product and tell you what I think it is, what I see in it, and what maybe a couple things you might want to be aware of while we review it. If you happen to get value from this video today, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified of any new content that I publish on the channel. So without further ado, let's get into the Vidyz by Mike from Maine and Brett Rutecky. So anyway, what we're going to find here is this is the sales page. So this is the sales page for Vidyz. And what you're going to see here is there's a nice sales video here that shows the graphics that are available on videos. And what you're going to be able to do is publish videos on this. This is a hosting site, which is basically the selling point on this is that distracted, if you will, from customers by things like you would if you hosted your video on YouTube. Things like ways that YouTube will try to siphon your traffic off and distract them to go to other places. They're featuring new and improved video player, which has been redesigned. This is Vidyz 2.0. They did the other version last year in 2019. There's going to be a commercial license included right on the front end for you as a purchaser of the product. What they're going to do in their video is they're going to talk about these main points of view of why they set this up as a product to sell to you. It has can autoplay videos in any browser, get your message seen by more people. Zero cost to host your videos. Basically, buy this and they'll host the videos for you. Increase sales, but when you don't have distractions from YouTube videos and what they post on your video while people are watching it, you'll get more clicks to where you want them to go, so you have more sales and better conversion, obviously, from your videos. Keep the traffic to yourself and user-friendly, beginner-friendly. I found looking at the demo video, now I haven't been able to purchase this yet because it's not open for sale yet, but you can tell from the video, I've purchased products like this in the past, and they're very nice. They have, usually every time you buy one of these video products, they have a couple features that are promoted by the sellers. And this one, they're promoting the fact that it's beginner friendly and that you're going to be hosting it without distracting you to other places for your sales video. However, what I want to show you is on the what you're going to be getting here. This is Vidyz, Michael Thomas, Mike from Maine, Brett Rutecky. Vidyz is going to be selling starting at $37 tomorrow on April 26th, and will go up to $47 for the initial purchase. What you're getting is a fully cloud-based video hosting video hosting marketing platform. What this is going to be doing, instead of using YouTube or paying to go to sites like Vimeo, and there's other paid places that you can pay for video hosting, what you're going to be getting is you're going to have, this is the two things that I found that they are adding in here. You're going to have a video call to actions, coupons, and offers. What they're going to be able to do is they're going to redirect. There'll be an automatic redirect at the end of the video. Now, I know myself, I hate to be automatically redirected at a video to something else. It's kind of like you're being forced to watch something you don't want. I know my customers, I won't use them on my sites because I don't want customers getting angry at me and never coming back. I want them to come back. So I'm not sure if I like that feature, but they're looking at this as a sales feature for this. And supports high definition, high video. and a customizable video player, which I'm sure works nice, and it's cute, and it's got a couple things. But what I see they're zeroing in on is the features of having an auto redirect at the end of the video. And the other thing that I find big time that they're promoting is the point of not having by the distractions. So what I'm going to suggest is that, and what I've found is that I buy these I'll see it and I'll think, well, there's a couple of reasons I'd like to have this. Is nice. That's a nice tool. I'd like to have that because they're going to promote that it has a GIF promoter, has a GIF creator on it. But the thing is, it's in the OTO that the GIF creator is in. Okay, you're going to have to upgrade on OTO 1 to get the GIF creator. And that's basically creating and turning videos into animated GIFs. And then they're also promoting the second big thing on the upgrade on the OTO is a clickable, customizable lower third, which, well, you can put links on and link out to your site or link out to a product, whatever. So the thing is, that's the two things. Now I'm looking at, okay, why do I want to do that? Because here's what they're saying. They're going to tell you is in the original purchase, okay? Okay, so on the sales page, if you go down, this is the thing I want you to look at very closely. Frequently asked questions. How many videos can I have on Vidyz? You can have up to 10 videos in your account at any one time. And if you hit this limit, you have to go and delete one. Well, I've done that before with other plugins and other video. That can be a major big league pain in the butt. So what you want to do is you obviously want to have, be able to promote higher amount of videos. Any business worth its salt, you're going to have more than 10 videos going at one time. So that's kind of limited. And what I was looking at is on the OTOs, this second one, this OTO 1 does not mention. So I'm thinking that you're still dealing with up to 10 videos, that's it. Because here what you're going to do is then slide into OTO 2, where you have all access at $47 per month or $197 per year or $397 one-time fee. And this is for unlimited video hosting, unlimited videos, unlimited bandwidth. Now I know for a fact that when I've gone to my hosting sites, my personal hosting sites, if I have too many videos on a site, I end up using up too much bandwidth. And I would then have to go in and delete videos or shift them to some other format where they're not on my website, like a cloud-based thing, which is all right, but you're always having to switch things around. So my suggestion is, why don't you just, as an idea, you could go to a plan like Vimeo, where they have up to 90 million videos on their site right now. They've been around since 2004. And by 2007, they had established a really good business. And you can come in here and pay to get 1 terabyte of videos put on here for $20 a month on a pro. And this is basically more than you'll need for a normal business to promote the videos you're on, to host them. Now, personally, I don't use Vimeo because I'm still growing my business. But the thing is, to think about it is that I used to buy these video programs. Okay, I used to buy these. And I have about 6 different video programs that are on my computer right now. And 2 or 3 of them right now, it's 4 years later, 5 years later, these have disappeared. If I need updates, they're not updated, they've disappeared. And I can't, or I have to pay an upgrade of $99 more or something to upgrade to a new version. Okay, some things to seriously think about is that as far as if you think the gift maker, that free is cool, I checked online. There's at least 3 really good free gift makers that you can use to create video clips into GIFs for you to use if you really need this kind of feature. The thing is, I would say, is be careful of what you are looking at when you look at a sales page like this, because this has all the emotional triggers in it. It's got what they're telling you is what they want to tell you. There's things they're not telling you. Okay, they're selling you on the idea that YouTube is stealing your traffic, and they're then selling you on the idea that you can have a customizable lower third if you upgrade, and you can have a gift maker included in the player. Now, the player itself, if you just need a video player and you've never purchased, this is great for a beginner. It looks like it has all the features, and Mike and Brett have thought about having all the nice features that you would like to have on a video player. It looks modern. If you play this is very attractive, and I'm sure it works fine. But if you're looking for a long-term, serious, bigger business, I would say that's the kind of person you probably want. If you're that kind of person, then probably just stay away from this and look at some alternatives. Look at maybe going to a Vimeo plan for hosting. Look at if you want to make GIFs, if you find a use for that in your business. Use free ones. Always look for free resources. There's always free things that you can do for free. That's the thing I learned the first couple of years after beating my spending money. I'd see people talking about, what about I found this for free online, and that way I didn't have to spend the money. That feature I liked that was featured on this sales page, I didn't need to buy that video player, that second video player from another marketer 4 months later to get that additional whistle and bell, basically another shiny object. So I'm just saying, think about it. If this is for you and you fit the things I've talked about where it matches up with your needs, go for it. It looks like a good thing. I know Mike from Maine's been around several years. I know he's been teaming up with Brett now for a few years on products. They already did this product last year. They've upgraded it. They have a new version. Just think about long term down the road. And I could show you from my bookmarks list of products from the last 7, 8 years of products that I go back 2 or 3 years later and they're not there. 4 years, even 5 years later. All of a sudden the product's disappeared. The access to it's disappeared. Now, the product is Vidyz, opening on April 26th on JV2. It's been an open, honest, some thoughts about. I am not an affiliate for this. I do not plan on being an affiliate for this product. If you receive value from this video, please like it, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell icon so you'll be notified every time we post a new video to our site. Thank you for watching today, and so long.